In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your project in Clipchamp the right way, and how to make sure your media is safely backed up so you never lose your work. If you've ever worried about losing edits, missing files, or unsaved progress, this quick guide will help you understand how Clipchamp saving works and how to manually back up your project to OneDrive. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project of your choice. From your dashboard, click on the project you want to work on. This will open the Clipchamp editor, where you can see your timeline, media library, and preview window. Now here's something important to understand. Clipchamp automatically saves your progress as you work. That means you don't have to constantly click a traditional save button like in older editing software. However, even though your edits are auto-saved, your media files still need to be properly backed up, especially if you're working across devices or want extra security. Next, make any changes inside your project. For example, you can add a new video clip to your timeline. Simply drag and drop a video from your Media tab onto the timeline. You can trim it, move it around, or make any edits you like. Once you make a change, Clipchamp automatically updates the project in real time. But to ensure everything is securely stored, look at the top area of your screen near the project name. You'll see a backup option beside the project title. This is the key step many people overlook. Go ahead and click on that backup option. When you click it, Clipchamp will begin backing up your project media to your connected OneDrive account. After a moment, you'll see a pop-up notification appear confirming that all media has been backed up to OneDrive. This confirmation message is important. It means your project files, including the media used in your timeline, are now safely stored in the cloud. So even if you switch computers, clear your browser cache, or experience a crash, your files are protected. If you don't see the backup confirmation, double-check that you're signed into the correct Microsoft account and that OneDrive is properly connected. Having OneDrive linked ensures seamless backups and better project security. So just to quickly recap, open your Clipchamp project, make your edits, click the backup option beside the project name, and confirm that you see the message saying all media is backed up to OneDrive. That's how you properly save and secure your project in Clipchamp. One more important thing to remember, saving your project inside Clipchamp is different from exporting your video. If you want the final video file to share on YouTube or social media, you'll still need to click the export button and choose your video quality. Backing up protects your project files, while exporting creates the final playable video. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to save your project in Clipchamp and make sure everything is safely backed up. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.